On the 26th of July, I'm coming to Perth to deliver Gymstick H2O. Now, if you're an aqua instructor and you want to know and learn something completely different from everything else that you've done, and let's face it, aqua, we haven't had as much variety in that area like we do on land, try Gymstick H2O. The Gymstick itself is light, it's portable, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's not expensive. And in this education, you're going to walk away with knowing exactly how to deliver a class. The cool thing about Gymstick H2O is you get a free monthly workout. You don't need to pay for choreography. And also there's no license fee. Yay! And then finally the music, and if you purchase it, it's whenever you want to. So there's no requirements after this course. You don't need to send a video in. You get it all in one day. And that's one of the things that I worked hard towards so that people were like motivated to become Gymstick H2O instructors. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I hope to see you there.